This is a bob. This is a string. So initially it will be released from this horizontal position. Okay, if you look at this, so it will come and strike the ground here. After striking ground, it will go like this. Then it will swing and lose contact. Oh, I'll bring dotted line. That's a ground reference. Okay, no. What is actually this question? So here, I think to there. So what actually I'll release it. It wants to. So this will be the. No, you see that one. So I'll release it. If this ground were not there, it would have it will swing like this. It will swing. So now what will happen? So the h where h is less than L. So as it is swinging, so it will come and collide at an angle theta. No, the velocity of the bob, what happened, will not be along y-axis, not along axis. It is some angle. It will be there in the third quadrant. It will collide. Then it's telling that the collision is such that after collision, so it will going to move in a parabolic path. Then it will exactly strike point below the point of suspension. Then what will happen? It will move. Then somewhere it lose contact. It will be like this here. Once again, I'll put it. This will come. So it will swing like this. So here it will collide. So after collision, what will happen? E equal to 1. You see, if E equal to 0, what will happen? I think we know this one. If E equal to 0, what will happen? If E equal to 0, so what happened to Bob? Bob will just move. The string will be loose. Because see, till here the string is loose. Say, loose string, I cannot show it up. Please try to imagine like the moment I release. So what will happen here? So it will swing. H is less than L. That's all. The string is initially some taut. That also condition is given. So the string is taut. It will come like this. By the time it is about to strike the ground, it will have velocity in third quadrant. Then if E equal to 0, inelastic collision at B only, what will happen? The string will become loose and the bob will just slide. Then somewhere what happens when again the length of string becomes equal to L, when string becomes straight, impulse will set up, then it'll go like this. I think we have discussed problem of like this already. Is there in note, check it. Now here what happens, this bob is list. Here elastic collision. Elastic collision what happen? So it will become parabolic path. It will collide. Now what will happen? Inelastic collision here. Y component will become 0. X component will not change, will be there. So because of X component, it starts swinging. Then string will become loose. Somewhere it will become taut. Then it will start swinging. Okay, now let's get into the. So after this, what will happen to the string? That's what our discussion is. So what is the path? Path here, definitely it should be a curved one. No? So how much of height it will descend? H is equal to, let L be the length of the string. So it will descend an height. So let this be, let me define this is theta. L cos theta it will define. So here it will acquire a speed. Let me have these things also. Yeah. Now it will have a speed how much u. This will be theta, u cos theta, u sin theta. So this or u parallel, you write it. This will be much easier. U perpendicular. Half impact, u parallel will be there as it is. U perpendicular will become vertical. Then because of u perpendicular is going to describe a parabolic path. I think if you are able to understand this, very easy. The question is very easy. Only thing is you should understand the sequence that is available. So very next moment, what will happen to string? The string will be. I'll draw this diagram. So here is the bob. Just after impact, this will be V perpendicular. This will be V parallel. And this is a string. The red color is the string. This is what HE has given. So V perpendicular should be U perpendicular, and U parallel should be will be V parallel, as it is elastic collision. Okay, first of all, can we calculate U? MGH. Let me write it here. MGH should be equal to MU square MGL cos theta U square by 2. So U equal to 2GL cos theta. Okay, this is a U. So then resolve that, you get U parallel, U perpendicular. So V perpendicular should be equal to U perpendicular should be equal to U sin theta. Then he has given that H, information of H. So what is H? H should be equal to V perpendicular square by 2G. So U square sin square theta by 2G. Okay, this will be the range. So here it will be V perpendicular, V parallel. Now what will happen to this? V perpendicular will become 0, and the string what happen will be loose. And at somewhere at one position. So what will happen to is like it will be moving V parallel. So here V parallel will come. String will become just out and impulse will act. Then again you resolve this velocity perpendicular to string and parallel to string. So one perpendicular string will not change, other parallel will get nullified. Already we have done such problems. Huh? I'll move everything here a little bit. No. Okay, what all we can do it? So he is asking 9 Ly by H square. What is L? L is the length of the string. Maximum height at point T at which the bob momentarily come to rest for the first time is. After this, what will happen to Bob? Bob will, I think I'll give one more diagram. Here only let me give it. There'll be one component is there. Let me call that as V. Other component will be nullified due to that impulse in the string. Then because of this V, it will ascend to certain height. Okay, this is what this Y. So just some observation. You can manage this question. Nothing is there. So we know H, we know L, that Y has to be determined. To determine that Y, what is needed? We needed V. Again, you have to resolve this V parallel. So H we know. Okay, let me substitute U square value. So this H is equal to U square will be 2GL cos theta sine square theta by 2G. H is equal to 2G get cancelled. So L cos theta sine square theta. What should be the R? Anybody? R should be L sine theta. And what is the range? Range should be 2U square cos theta sine theta by G. Sine theta get cancelled. So this should be G U square equal to G cos theta by 2. I think from this we can L with the GL cos theta. Solving this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2, this is the equation 3. Equating 1 and 3 will get equation for the theta. Anybody theta?
That is GL by 2 cos theta. Cos theta is in the denominator.
U square equal to GL by 2 cos theta. Yeah, fine. Okay, this is equating 1 and 2 will
60
get
degrees. 60
60
degrees.
degrees. Okay, from theta 60 degrees, we'll get the H. Okay, we know L. Okay, theta H and L relationship also we got it. Then from after this, okay, here is there, no? R equal to L sine theta. After getting theta, we'll get R in terms of L. Okay, after this, so now V parallel is needed, no? What is V parallel? V parallel should be equal to U parallel. Let's get into mathematics of this side. This should be equal to U sine theta. V parallel should be U root 3 by 2. Okay, this V parallel, again we should resolve two components. I don't know, I'll write Vn. How to get, this will be theta, no? I'll give some other color. Yeah, this is theta. So V will be V parallel.
V parallel is U cos theta, sir.
U cos theta, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. U cos theta will be U by 2 only. Yeah. Then V will be V parallel sine theta. U by 2 root 3 by 2. So U root 3 by 4. And what is value of U? We know value of U, that will substitute. Then what is the maximum height it will ascend? So applying conservation of mv square by, that should be equal to, shall we directly write mgy? That y has to be determined. Square is there. Huh? Yeah. 3u square by 16. Then value of u square we know, substituting that.
Sir, V is U V parallel cos theta, sir.
V parallel sine theta. This is theta, no? V parallel sine theta. This is theta, no? Okay, after striking,
That will be 90 minus theta.
okay, before striking, this is a thing, no? Theta. So here at striking,
It will be 90 minus theta, sir.
90 minus theta. Theta, we have defined this one, no? Yeah, okay, let me check the mathematics here. This is theta, no?
Sir.
Okay, this is theta. Here, this will be theta.
What you wrote as theta, that should be 90 minus theta, sir.
This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. So V parallel is it confirmed? Shall I proceed? No, V parallel is U parallel, U
Yes,
cos
sir.
theta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that one. V parallel will be, this will be cos theta. Oh, we have to change everything. Cos theta, this will become 1 by 2. This will become U by 4. V by V square equal to GY. So here, this will not be there. This will not be there. Okay, yeah, this much. U square is equal to how much? 2GL cos theta. Or I think value of cos theta cos 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be GL by 16. I'll bring calculation this one.
But that
What
is
is
actually V is equal to root 2 GY, sir. You wrote V square is equal to root 2 GY.
V is equal to root 2 GY? Okay,
Yes,
V
sir.
square is equal to 2 GY. Cos theta 1 by 2. So this G also get cancelled. So L by 16 is equal to 2Y. Y equal to L by 32. I'll minimize. Total problem will be visible for you. Yeah, look at now clearly. Is asking 9L Y by H square. H also we should write in terms of L, no? Okay, that also will write it. L by theta was how much? 60 degrees, theta 60 degrees. So this will be 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. So this will be root 3 L by 4. Check the answer, no?
That will
9L Y.
be GL by 8, which is equal to 3L by 8. Sine square theta.
Sine square is there. Huh? I didn't see. So 3 by 4. Okay, this one. 3L by 8. Okay, now we'll substitute all these things, we'll get the required thing. Okay, just do one thing. The main concept is if it collides here inelastically, here only the very next moment the string will become loose and it will just slide on the ground. Then again string will become taut, it will ascend. That would have been case. Here elastic collision means it will describe parabolic path. Then so here inelastic, then it will slide on the ground, then string will become taut, then it will ascend here. Okay, there's a basically path. I think can be asked this, or they'll put in matching where conditions can be asked. They can split up the problem into 4 parts. Can be asked anywhere in matching. Y and H is needed. Substituting will get the required this one. Okay, you have math class at what time? 4:50, no?
4:30, sir. 4:30.
4:30. Okay, last one problem